Hello kids, hope you all are safe and healthy at home. Today in our grammar class, we are going to discuss and learn about a new topic, that is paragraph writing. Okay, now what is this paragraph writing? A group of sentences that tell us about a single idea is called a paragraph writing. Means we have to write some sentences if a topic is given or one picture is given. Okay, so from these two, if any one is given, what we have to write? We have to collect some sentences from that picture or a topic, and then we have to mention it, then we have to write it down. So this is paragraph writing. Now in this paragraph writing, we have to keep three things in our mind. First thing is a topic sentence. A topic sentence means a picture is given to you and you have to give a nice topic to that picture. Second, supporting ideas means we have to collect and see what all things are given in the picture and we have to write it down in the sentences. And last one is concluding sentence. So at last you have to mention how was the picture and how did you enjoy it if any of the topic is based on that. Okay, so these three points we have to keep in mind while writing a paragraph, that is a topic sentence first, second supporting ideas, and third a concluding sentence. Now we will see with example. This example I have taken from our grammar book only, so that you can go through again and again from the book if you want. Now what is the question given over here? Look at the picture given below and write a paragraph to describe it. First we will discuss everything over here. I am not sharing any of the written thing over here in this video. You just everyone just listen carefully what I am explaining about this paragraph writing. Okay, so carefully first see whatever is given in the picture. Okay, now we will see one by one what we can see from this picture. Here a picture is of beautiful garden. Next there are many trees. You can see one family. Okay, one family, mother, father, kids and one pet. They are enjoying in the garden. Then two children. They are enjoying their ice cream candy. Again then a boy with a tricycle. Okay, he is also running and enjoying happily with his pet dog. Now behind that garden you can see some, what you can see? Bridge and high buildings. Okay, so these all things we have to write it down in a paragraph. What things we can see in this picture. Okay, so this is about paragraph writing. See students, in this paragraph writing, it can also be asked as write few sentences about this picture. So in case if it is given few sentences, then we can also write some sentences instead of a paragraph. That paragraph you can form into sentences, or if it is been asked in paragraph, then the same we can form in a paragraph. Okay students, now the second form of paragraph writing we will see. What is the question given? You recently visited a circus with your family. Now what we have to do? Write a paragraph describing your experience. Now here what we have to do? If you have recently visited any of the circus, then you can form sentences or paragraph. If not you have visited, then you can just imagine about a circus. Now what we can discuss about the circus? What you all have seen when you go to circus? Yes, you can write like there was a big tent. Inside that many colorful and beautiful clowns were there. Okay, they performed some beautiful tricks. You can also mention that there can be many animals like elephant, horse, lion, tiger. Okay, these animals also perform beautiful tricks, and with that also you can write some girls riding on a single wheel cycle on rope. Okay, so this all things we can mix or we can collect and we can form a paragraph. Okay, here again I am telling, here I am not mentioning anything. I'll send you all this paragraph writing in PDF form, and just read carefully the sentences and then write it down in your textbook. Okay kids, so this was all about a paragraph writing.